Is your computer feeling sluggish, or are you just curious about just how fast your SSD truly is? Let's dive into checking your SSD's read and write speeds right here in Windows. For a fantastic and user-friendly method, we'll be using a free tool called CrystalDiskMark. First, you'll need to download and install it. A quick search for CrystalDiskMark download will get you there. Once installed, open CrystalDiskMark. You'll see a simple interface with a few options to configure before we begin the test. On the left, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click this to select the SSD you want to test. Usually, it's your primary drive, often labeled C. Above the drive selection, you'll find settings for the test itself. For a good general performance check, the default settings are usually fine. These settings simulate different types of data transfers, giving you a comprehensive view. Now, for the exciting part, click the button that says All. This will start the benchmark test. CrystalDiskMark will now perform its tests, writing and reading data to your SSD. You'll see numbers flashing up as it goes. These are the speeds it's measuring. Once finished, you'll see the results. The numbers labeled read tell you how fast your SSD can access data, and write shows how quickly it can save data. As a quick alternative, you can also get a general idea of your drive's activity using Windows Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open it. Navigate to the Performance tab, and then click on Disk. You'll see graphs showing your drive's activity. While this doesn't give you precise speeds like CrystalDiskMark, it's great for seeing if your SSD is being utilized during demanding tasks. Understanding these speeds helps you identify potential bottlenecks and ensure your SSD is performing at its best. Now you're equipped to check your SSD's read and write speeds.